Okay, here we are. We're gonna demonstrate to you Sport Arnis. Like I said, this is like no training at all. We're just having break here in our studio. They're actually, oops, something fell. Anyway, here we go. We bow. Okay, and then ready position and fight. Not clear enough. Usually there are two other judges there that's gonna see it, but I did not see a clear point. Has to be a clear point. Okay, again. Fight. Stop. Okay. Point. Charles. Hit in the hand. Okay. Ready position. And go. Ooh. Okay. I'll say point to the leg. Okay, ready position and go. Okay. Charles, point, 2, 1. Okay, ready position, fight. Ooh.
That was like a thought. I have to bet.
2, 2. Okay, breaking time. Ready, go. Ooh. 3, 2. Okay, well, that's good enough because there's already 1 minute round. So, pugay to the. Okay.